Hello kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very important in English grammar, simple tenses. Ta-da! We'll read, practice, play and solve together. So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Let's start with some sentences. These boys play football. They learnt the game in their childhood. I know how to design comics. I don't design them anymore. I like to play basketball and badminton. I practice them every day. My elder brother was an athlete. He won many awards. Now kids, let's separate the verbs. Simple present tense verbs: play, know, design, like, practice. Simple past tense verbs: learned, was, won. So we see that verbs change when the time changes. This is the main idea of tenses. Now let's understand simple present tense. We use it to talk about facts like the sun sets in the west, universal truths like we need water to survive, habits or daily routines like I usually walk to school. More examples: my aunt lives in Mumbai. Haider reads books daily. I usually walk to school. Now, the simple past tense. It is used to talk about actions that happened at a specific time in the past. Examples: I wrote a letter to my sister last night. I ate lunch at 3 p.m. yesterday. My mom drove to her office today. She finished her job on time. So kids, present tense talks about now and habits, while past tense talks about things already done. Dance ta-da-da! Let's solve part A. Time for an exercise. Fill in the blanks using the simple present tense forms of the verbs given. Feed. My brother feeds the dog. Like, Haider likes to dance. Play. My friend and I play football in the evening. B. There is enough water in the kettle. To have. We have a new neighbor. Speak. She speaks English. Like, Stephen likes pizza. Cry. The baby cries when it is hungry. Reread them and understand the difference. Great job, kids. Let's do another one. Dance ta-da-da. Fill in the blanks using simple past tense forms. Cut. We are late. They have already cut the cake. Dash. Sana dashed across the field to reach the lake. Speak. The engineer spoke to the manager about shifting his desk. No. They knew we were coming for dinner. Freeze. The people nearly froze to death on the mountain. Sing. My brother sang that song better than my sister. Reread them and notice the difference. Now, let's practice changing tenses. Dance ta-da-da! Let's solve part C. Change the tense of these sentences. I finished the entire bowl of steak in 5 minutes. Past. I finished the entire bowl of steak in 5 minutes. My cousins arrived from Delhi on Sunday. Present. My cousins arrived from Delhi on Sunday. Charan's behavior was not appreciated. Present. Charan's behavior is not appreciated. Blowing out candles is fun for Raju. Past. Blowing out candles was fun for Raju. Everyone appreciated my brother's magic tricks. Present. Everyone appreciates my brother's magic tricks. Well done! This shows how we can switch between present and past forms of verbs. Now, let's quickly test your memory. Repeat after me. Present, I walk to school. Past, I walked to school. Present, I play football. Past, I played football. Present, I eat an apple. Past, I ate an apple. Ta-da-da! Fantastic! Saying them aloud helps us remember better. Time to revise what we learned today. We use simple present tense, facts, truths and habits. Simple past tense, completed actions in the past. Examples of both present and past tense. We solved exercises with fill-ups and changed sentences between tenses. Super learning today! Great job, kids! Today, you learned a lot about simple tenses in a fun way. Ta-da! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with another exciting lesson. Bye, kids! Bye! Thanks for watching!